Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the name of your Facebook page. This is one of the most simplest things to do on Facebook, but then it's being asked on YouTube very much. That's why I'm making this video. So now let's get going with our tutorial. All we need to do is move to our Facebook settings here. So I tap on my profile here and I scroll down here to my settings. So I tap on that. So on this page I scroll down as well. So I scroll to my page setup here. Good. So on here you can see my name there. So I tap on the name. So now let me change the name to my YouTube channel's name. So let me do it. Okay, brother. Let me make the T. Just let me come here. Something like this, and let me review the change. Good. So they are saying you can change your name once in every 60 days. So if I change it, I need to wait for another 60 days to change my name again. So now let me submit it for approval. Good. So it's been submitted and they are saying I can't change my Facebook name again until 60 days. So that's it on how you can change the name of your Facebook page. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.